So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find auto time zone updater. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on OK. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in location privacy settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to turn on location services. See if that works for you. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to make sure that your time zone is correct and make sure that you actually do have set time automatically turned on. If it's still not working for some reason, you can set it manually if you want to. To do that, it's going to be off for you. You can just click on change to now set it manually. For the last method, we're just going to do a restart of our computer. So you're going to restart your computer. When you come back into Windows, hopefully this will now fix your problem.